Jagan from REPL. Again, Jagan, I'm really sorry, but if you could make it quick so that we can end relatively close to the deadline. Jagan, are you there?
Yeah, just a minute. Hello, Yasu. Good afternoon. This thanks to that to chairperson and that all CIA and other members for giving this opportunity for this presentation. So basically, that I am just going to be present on that urban water conservation through the integration of urban drainage system. So basically, what is happening in India or almost in the world, increasing the trend of urban flooding is the universal phenomena. That means every year just increasing the flood, and that almost the whole city of India just facing that the flood problem. So that flood problem arises because of that rapid urbanization. So I have made some small study on the Sipra River Basin study. So what is the reason behind it that extreme flood is experiencing in the city, and then how can we use this water, that excess water? So Sipra River Basin that basically originated from the Indore city, and that passes through the Ujjain Indore district. So if we see in this complete catchment area that around that 5,546 square kilometer cover in this catchment area, that water is contribute to the Chambal River. So if we see in this catchment area that around this 20 number of towns and 1,035 number of villages comes under this river basin. So most of the city we have seen that they are experiencing that flash flood in this area. So I have done the comparative study on the land use changes. So basically we have done the land use prepared on for year 2000 and year for 2020. Then we have made the comparison on it. So we have observed that the built up area is increased by 5% in last 20 years. If we see the flood, that means the 16% flood is increases. So that means that we can say the tributaries or this main river, they have the confined sections to flow this water. Due to the rapid urbanization, that water is concentrating in a particular time, that means the river is not capable to cater this water. That means this water is spread outside of the river, even inside the city also. Outfall is not available to drain this water from the city. So this is a major change that challenges that we are facing right now in the city. So in the same way, I have prepared the land use for the Ujjain city also. Then we have observed in the Ujjain city in 20 years that built up area is increased in around 75%. So that means drastically that urban area changing. That means impervious surface is in that increasing, pervious area is reducing. That means agriculture, barren land that is converting in the urban area. Then that means whenever that rain will come, that is not going to infiltrate in the ground. So that is directly contributing to the drain, or it may be rivers or nalas. So that creating the flooding conditions. So my idea is banded excess water can be diverted in the water bodies. So this excess water can be diverted in the water bodies, so that water bodies can be filled up during that that water can be used for the further purpose. And even though that water bodies can be connected with the permeable zone where we can recharge this water under the ground, because water harvesting schemes already is implemented in many cities, but sometimes we can see that that is not capable to recharge this water. Then we can say that time of the concentration is also very less, so that capacity is not available to recharge this water. So that all the water bodies available in the city or around that tributaries, that can be used for the recharge purpose also, and that also can be mitigate the flood. So for this we need the integrated infrastructure for development. That means first we need the sewage system, that way should be separated so that the water quality is going in the drain, that in storm water that can be should be clean, so that water can be recharged inside the ground. So that is the idea behind it for this presentation. So this is over. So have any question for this? Hello.
Thank you so much, Jagan. That was a very quick trip around your project. And I'm sure there will be questions, but